Good morning, everyone. In this PPT, we have to discussion the split tree. Here, split tree we have to we have in this PPT we have to definition of the split tree and what are the rotations of the split tree with example. In detail, we have to see that one. In split tree is another variance of the binary search tree. In a split tree, recently assign the elements in a place at the root of the tree. A split tree is defining as the following. Here it is one of the another variants of the binary search tree, same as the binary search tree, but we have to add some new features in a split tree. Same as the binary search tree, we have to add some feature. In red black tree, we have to same as the binary search tree, we have to take in the some extra bit, that is a color node. Same as the split tree has a maintaining the binary search tree, we have to take in what are the extra feature here. You have to see that one. A split tree definition is a self-adjusting binary search tree in which every operation on elements rearranging the tree, so that element is placed at a root position of the tree. We have to in every operation we have to do the rearranging the tree. So we have to element is placed at a root position of the tree. In split tree, every operation is performed at a root of the tree. All the operations in the split tree are include with a. In a split tree, every operation is performed at a root of the tree. It means to every operation is performing in a root node, and its a common name is called as a splaying. Here we have to do the splaying. Splaying on element in the process of beginning to its the root position of performing suitable rotation operation. We have to do the some rotations, we have to do that one. In split tree, splay on element rearranging all the elements in a tree. We have to do the rearranging all the elements in a tree. We have to do the splaying. By splaying elements, we begin more frequencies using the elements closer to the root of the trees, so that any operations of those elements is performed in quickly. That means the splaying operations automatically brings more frequently used elements is closer to root of the tree. We have to take into the automatically we have to closer to the root tree. This is the split tree definition. Here, times complexity of the split tree is a big O of the log n. Every operation on a split tree performs the splaying operation. For example, the insertion operation first inserting the new element using the binary search tree. This is the insertion process. But here, newly insertion element in split tree having a so that it is a placing the root at a tree. The searching element in a split tree is nothing that searching the element have a binary search tree process. Then we have to splaying the search element set. We have to place in the root of the tree. This is the binary tree. This is the split tree. We have to inserting the node. That node we have to replacing the root node. We have to searching that node. That searching node we have to replacing the root node. This is the split tree. Here we have to take into the search the 7. Here 7 is the 10. We have to checking the root node. Here 10 we have to comparing to the 10. Here 10 is a small greater than to 7 greater than to here 10 is a less than the 7. So we have to here 7 is a less than the 10. So here the 10 is so we have to move the left side of the 10. Here left side is a 7 is there. We have to found the 7. Here we have to found the 7. This is we have to 7. We have to 7 is the found. After we have to 7 is the found. We have to some rotations we have to do that one. 7 is we have to compare to the rotation. Here split tree rotations have a jig rotations, jag rotations, jig rotations, jag rotations, and zigzag rotations, jag and jig rotations. These are a rotations of the split trees. Jig rotations means single rotation, jag means a left rotation, jig rotation means right rotations, and jag rotation means left rotations, and zigzag rotations means right and left rotations means to right and left rotation. Jig means we have to fill in a brain. Jig means right and a jack means left. We have to fix with a names within. We have to here a jig means of the right and a jack means of the left. This is the rotations of the split tree. One by one we have to do the definitions and a rotations examples with algorithms. If a parent of the x is a root, then root. Then we have to x is a left child, then we have to perform the single AVL tree jig rotations. Else we have to perform the single AVL rotation, jack rotation. It means we have to check the parent of the x in a root of the. We have to take and see here. Here parent of the x. We have to do the A rotation. We have to do the here. We have to directly. We have to do the jig rotations. This means how to take into the x is a x parent is a here parent left side is there. So we have to do the single rotation, jig rotation. We have to do. It means to x is a parent and a parent left side we have to add the p. This is the left rotations, single rotation, jack rotations. We have to check that one parent left side we have to x is there. Then we have to do the left rotation. This means to x is a parent and a parent right left side we have to connecting the p. This is the single left rotation. Here TT node is a that node is a connecting to the p left right side we have to connecting to the TT. This is the jack rotation. It means to left rotation. And next we have to do the jig rotation example. We have to take into the values. Jig rotation in split tree is similar to the single right rotation AVL tree rotation. In jig rotation, every node moves on one position to right from its connect position. Considering the following example, we have to see that one. We have to do the 3 have to rotating the right side. It means to 3 is a root and it's a 3 left right side we have to connect in the 5. And we have to see here in here 5 is a here we have to see that 4. Here 4 node is a we have to connecting that 4 node is a 5 right side we have to 5 is a left side we have to connecting the 4. This is the jack rotation. It means to right rotation. Next we have to take into the left rotation with values. Here we have taken to the jack rotation. It means to left rotation of in split tree is a similar to the single rotation in AVL tree rotation. In jack rotation, every node moves one position to left from its current position. It's have taken to the following example. You have to do the 5 the left rotation. It means the 5 is comes to the parent and a 5 left side we have to connect in the 3 and the 4 is connecting to the 3 right side we have to connect in the 4. This is the jack rotation. We have to next we have to do the jig and jack rotation. Here we will see that one jig rotation. How to check the jig and jack rotation? When do you do the jig and jack rotation? We have to see the condition. If x both has a parent and grandparent, it means of the of a node we have to selecting the node. That node we have to parent and a grandparent, and we have to see that x left child of the parent p and p left child of the g. Then we have to perform the double jig-jack rotation. Else we have to rotate and do the jack rotation. It means to jig comma we have to modify that one. We have to it means to the x left child parent and parent left child grandparent. Then we have to do that jig rotation. Otherwise we have to do the jack rotation. If this one we have to do that. Here x having a parent and a grandparent. Then we have to do that this is a left side. This is a parent left side is a x and grandparent left side has a parent. So we have to do the left rotation. First we have to do parent. We have to first move the parent. It means to grandparent is a comes to the left side right side of the p. It means p is a parent. Next to second time we have to do the x rotating. The x is a comes to the root and x is a comes to the root. and p and x right side we have to connecting the p. This is a jig rotation. Here we have to come to the remaining nodes. Here we have to comparing that one root node. We have to connecting that remaining nodes t1, t2 and t3. These are the jig rotation. Next we have to say the jag rotation. Here x has a parent and a GAN parent. P has a right side of the x and GAN parent right side of the p. So we have to do the right rotation. It means to we have to do the here left rotation. In this way we have to do the right rotation. We have to do the right rotation. Here do the right rotation. This mode jig rotation means right rotation. Here we have to do the jag rotation means double left rotations. First we have to do the parent is a root and it's a parent left side we have to connecting to the GAN parent. Next one and its children we have to take into the root and its right side we have to connecting with the parent and GAN parent and left side. This is the left we have to x is a root and its right side we have to connecting to the parent and a GAN parent children. So we have to x has a root parent, x has a root and its children has a parent and GAN parent. This is the jag rotations in. Then we have to take in the some values and do the jag rotations elements. Here jig rotation. In jig rotation is play tree in a double jig rotation. In jig rotation, every node moves the two positions right from a current position. So we have to take into the rotation. Here we take into the 2 and the 2 parent 3 and 5. Here is a left side. So we have to move the jig rotation. It means double jig rotations. First we have to move the 3. It means to 3 is a parent and it's a right side we have to connecting the 5. Next we have to do the 2. Here 2 we have to do the one way or a double. We have to do the 2 is a root and it is a right side is come to the 3 and it's a 3 right side we have to connecting the 5. This is the jig rotation and it's a 4 is a comes to the and it comes to the 3. You have to comparing to the values. Here 4 is a comes to the GAN parent left side we have to connecting to the 4. It means to 5 left side we have to connecting the 4. This is the jig rotation. We have to jag rotation we have to taking in split tree double jag rotation and jag rotation. Every node moves to the two positions of the left. It means to 2 nodes we have to move the left side. Here 6 is a move the display the 6. It means to 6 is a go to the root and is a 5 and 6 right left side we have to connecting to the 5 and here is a 4. Here 4 is a go to the GAN parent right side. Here 4 is a 3 right side we have connecting the 4. Here we play the 6. It means to 6 is a comes to the root and it's a root right side we have to connecting the 5 its parent and it's a, and after it's a 6 and it's a 3. Here 3 is a comes to the left side of the 5 and it's a 3 and after 4 is the there. Here 4 is a GAN parent and it is a 4 is a connecting to the GAN parent right side. It means to 3 right side we have to connecting the 4. This is the left rotation. And we have to last 2 rotations, zigzag rotation, jag and jig rotation. We have to do that. When we have to do jig and jag jig rotation, if x both a parent and GAN parent and x left child p and p right child of the g, then we have to perform the zigzag rotation. Otherwise we have to perform the jag jig rotation. It means to we have to see that one zigzag rotation. It means to right left rotation. Here we have to take into the x is there, x here parent left side. Here is a we have to see that one x left child of the p. Here it is a left child of the p and it is a right side of the. This is the last rotation, zigzag and jag rotation. Then we have to do this is a if x is a parent, both parent and GAN parent, is X left shell of the P and P right shell of the G. Then we have to do the zigzag rotation, otherwise we have to do the jag-zig rotation. These are examples of the zigzag rotation. Next first we have to check that one. Zigzag rotation means X left side is a parent and P right side of the G. So we have to do the zigzag rotations here. We have to do the first we have to rotating the right rotation of the P. After we have to do the grandparent, we have to do the left rotation. Finally we have to get this tree. Here X has a root and its here left side we have to parent and here right side we have to G. This is the rotation of the zigzag rotation. Next we have to see the values. Zigzag rotation in split tree is the sequence of zig rotations followed by the jag rotations. In zigzag rotations, every node moves one position to right and followed by the one positions to the left, and this is the current position. This is the example of the. And finally we have to move here 6, here 4 we have to split, here 5, 4 you have to come to the root. Then we have to move 5. First we have to do the right rotation of the 5. Then it is a 5 is a comes to the 4 is a comes to the parent and it is a root parent, and a left 4 left right side we have to connect the 5. And next we have to do the left rotation of the 4. Here 4 is a comes to the root and 4 left side we have to connecting the 3. This is the zigzag rotation of the. Next one, jag-zig rotation. It means to left-right rotation. Here, left-right rotation we have to move the first position to move left rotation of the 4. It means to 4 we have to do left rotation. It means to 4 is comes to the parent and the parent and right left side we have to connecting the 3 and 2. Next we have to do the grandparent rotation. Here, jig rotation we have to apply the 5. Here 4 is a comes to the root and 4 left side is connecting to the 5 and left side is a come to the 3. This is the jag-zig rotation. Thank you everyone.